Hey everyone, this is Diana. Today is Saturday, and today we are not really doing too much right now. The little kids are sleeping, and the big kids are watching TV. So I am taking the opportunity to work on my hair. I just finished washing it, so I'm about to go ahead and try to do something to it while I have a little bit of time. Okay, I got a good chunk of it done. We're gonna take a break so the kids can eat some lunch. As you can see, Nicholas is awake now. The kids are down here playing while Tremel is trying to work. Getting anything done? Not really.
Look, say hi. Who's that?
Mommy.
Who else?
Mommy.
Pizza and salad for lunch. Everybody's eating.
But do you hear Melody? Whoever did
man.
what?
They treated us right tonight.
Yes, I know.
Whoever did what, Mommy?
Made the food. They put a lot. So it's the end of the night. We made it. I finally finished my hair. We just had a little prayer meeting. Melody's looking at us suspiciously. But all the other kids are in bed.
Thank God.
It's been a good night. Hey, good morning. It is Sunday today. I'm just getting out of a church service. It was nice. We actually haven't been back to church together as a family since the pandemic, so we just kind of take turns right now. And so today it was my turn to head to church, and I enjoyed it. Tremel's at home with the kids, so I'm about to head back there, and then we're gonna have breakfast together. Hi, husband.
Hey, how was church?
It was good. Look, he's in here making pancakes and everything.
Listen, guess where I got the instructions to make this from?
Where did you get these?
Liking Our Love, man. Go to Liking Our Love. What is it? YouTube.com. They don't look like my wife's though. But the kids with the taste testers, they said it tastes like mommy. So I said, I did my thing.
Good job.
Excuse my ashy shirt.
No, it's on mine. Can I have some honey on
I'll
the
let you store yours
pancakes?
too. Some honey in your pancakes? You want honey or do you want syrup?
I want both. I want both too, actually.
The kids will let you. It's eating time.
Nicholas is not my son. Mommy had some flowers, and Daddy got them, and I just came back outside for when we were getting the groceries.
Yes. And I got some beautiful flowers.
Did you drive and get the groceries?
No, Daddy got it. And he got me a nice surprise.
One wrong move.
Oh my. Put it over your plate, son.
My custodial skill set will kick in.
Oh. Sunday.
What?
It's Sunday.
Milk chocolate.
Sunday. That's the day when we get to eat more dessert. It's sweet Sunday. That's right, Nicholas.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Oh, yeah.
What do you have? It's a little bit crazy right now. We're trying to get everybody in the bed. But slowly but surely, they're going to sleep. Tremel's looking crazy because I was supposed to be putting the girls in the bed, but I'm recording right now. So.
Unbelievable.
But it's just for a minute.
It's our time.
Yes. All right.
Just trying to get some QT with my bride. She's making videos. Honesty is the right policy. Who's ready for this? Looks like nobody. We here, dog. We ain't leaving. Every day that we breathing, we gon' give it all. We got one shot, got more than just one reason. Those my kids, dog, they lit. That's my wife, boy, that's it. You can't break what got mixed, no mistake. We just fit. Now let's squad up. We going all the way. We take people with us. It's a brighter day. If you're rolling with us, we Yeah, so that's where I'm at with it, yo.
So we finished getting the kids in the bed. It's, it's getting pretty late, but we are gonna sit here and have a little business meeting
Yes.
before we go to sleep. But to sweeten it up, we got some treats. Got some cookies here. So we're about to sit here and eat that and go over some numbers and then wrap things up for the night. See you next time.
See you next time.